For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop struggling with slow or unsafe kettles. Here's the SMEG 50s Retro Electric Kettle that changes everything. If you're tired of kettles that take forever to boil or release hot steam unpredictably, let me tell you about the SMEG 50s Retro Style Electric Water Kettle KLF03BLUS in black. I've been using this kettle daily, and it has truly made my morning routine smoother and safer. The 360-degree swivel base is a game changer. No matter how you grab it, you can lift and replace the kettle easily. I often juggle coffee, breakfast, and my laptop in the morning, and this feature makes pouring water stress-free. Safety is a big deal, and the smart auto-shutoff system handles it perfectly. The kettle stops heating when water boils or if it's lifted from the base. Honestly, this saved me from a couple of oops moments when I forgot to turn it off. Plus, it's energy efficient. Measuring water is simple, with easy-to-read indicators in cups and liters. I usually make a single cup of tea, and it's precise every time. No more guessing or wasting water. Another feature I appreciate is the gentle steam release from the soft opening lid. Unlike some kettles I've used before, this one won't splash hot steam suddenly, so it feels safer, especially when kids are around. Cleaning is just as easy thanks to the removable stainless steel limescale filter. I clean it weekly, and it keeps the water tasting fresh without any buildup, a small detail that really makes daily use convenient. And, of course, it looks amazing. The classic 50s retro design in sleek black not only works for modern kitchens, but also adds a stylish touch. I've had friends ask where I got it. It's practical, yet a real conversation starter. In short, the SMEG 50s Retro Style Electric Kettle KLF03BLUS hits the perfect balance of style, safety, and efficiency. From the swivel base and auto shutoff to precise measurements and easy maintenance, this kettle is built for real-life use. Whether you're brewing a single cup or serving guests, it delivers every time while looking great on your countertop.